Hi, this is the building we most recently purchased at 22159 North Pepper Road in Lake Barrington, Illinois. It's a multi-tenant building, smaller tenants, and it's in a smaller tenant industrial market. As you can see here, we're looking at a portion of the building as we pan up where they've already done the roof and they are doing the entire roof now as we speak. There's nobody working on it right now today because it looks like it's going to be raining today, later today. But they will be done with the whole roof sometime soon. You'll see the two-story office building in the front, followed by the multi-tenant office building in the back. The two-story office building is being retrofitted now, and we are working on trying to find a tenant for that. Here you find the smaller tenant spaces with drive-in doors. Most of these tenants use a van to deliver their goods. You see the back unit there with the two drive-in doors, which is probably the best unit, and we hope to get that released because the current manager will be moving out shortly and he's not paying anything, so we hope to have a nice boost to our income when we do that. You'll see the next door neighbor has a truck dock, which we're happy is there because they can't drive through our parking lot, thereby causing a lot of wear and tear. Again, we're looking at the east side of the building, looking at some of the roofing materials up on top. There's just nobody up there working today, but the materials are there and they're on their way. They're getting it done. Panning a little bit more to the south here, we come on Pepper Auto Body, who's been there forever. Apparently they do a great job. They're good at auto body and mechanical work. And if you need some work done in your car, it may be a good place to go. You see there's a lot of parking in this building, a lot of storage, and we think that's a big advantage, although we want to try and get more for the office building in the front. We think we're going to call the city and talk about this large grassy area you see and see if there's any way to get some additional parking, because even though we have more than most, you can never have enough, and more would be better. So here we're panning, looking to the north at the building, and you'll see that you've got a small parking lot in the front where it's fenced in, or on the side, I'm sorry, it's fenced in. We'll be probably re-renting that, either upping the rent of the current tenant or putting a new tenant in there shortly. Now we're panning around the park just to show you that it's a vibrant industrial park, primarily made up of smaller multi-tenant units. Mostly these are local guys from the area who have their small businesses or private hobbies in these buildings. And that's pretty much it. Just want to kind of give you a nice overview of the building and show you what we got ourselves into this time. It looks like a good one. Could be a good one.